Okay, we're going to do the division with the missing unit in the divisor. Okay, let's write down the operation. 9,660 divided by 420 equals. Let's make the dividend. 9,000, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 8,000, 9,000. 600, 100, 200, 300, 500, 600, 610, 110, 210, 310, 510, 610, and 0 unit divided by 420. So for the divisor, we need 4 red skittles for 400. 2 and 2 blue skittles for 210. And then for 0, here in unit, we use green disc. Okay, remember the rule in division, we have to share equally. 1 for you, 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 1 for you. There is no skittle there, so the disc does not get anything. Let's continue sharing. 1 for you, 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 1 for you. Okay, we exchange 1,000 to 100. 1,000 to 1,000. One, 2, 900, 1,000. Okay, let's sharing again. 1 for you, 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 1 for you. How do we get the answer? We cannot find the answer because we don't have the green skittle. Okay, we're going to take the amount of 1 blue skittle and share it among 10 green skittle. So we need 10 green skittles. 1, 2, 3, 4. On the back of the paper that you have, write the amount of the skittle that you want to share. 230 divided by 10 equals. So we're going to exchange 100 to 1010. 9, 10. Going to exchange this again. 100 to 10, 10. 10. 1 for you, 1 for you. Then we're going to share them equally as usual manner. We're going to exchange 110 to 10 units. 9, 10 unit. And we're going to share the unit equally as usual manner. Now we're going to exchange again this 110 to 10 unit. 10 unit. And we're going to exchange again this 110 to 10 unit. Unit, and then we put this back in the compartment and we share the unit equally as usual manner. And then find the answer for one green skittle. So one green skittle receives 23. And now back to the original equation. So 9,660 divided by 422 equals 23. Remember, the answer in the division, we call it the quotient. So the quotient is 23. As usual manner, when we're done, we have to clean up. Have the child to clean up every time he finished an activity. We put this in the child's folder. The guide bring back the writing tray, and then we clean up the stamp game.